Hello there! In this module, I'm going to show you how to use Facebook video ads to market your business. Utilizing video ads is the next big thing, besides doing Facebook ads, because video content is becoming the main focus on Facebook. So instead of posting articles, make a video out of it instead. Before you post your video into your page, at your video editor page, go to the boosted video option and target your preferred demographics. This will drive traffic from your targeted video ads to your video content, and it will build engagement. For any post that you've posted into your newsfeed, don't boost your post. Instead, use Facebook ads to target your audience. This is because boosting will target a general audience instead of your targeted niche. In advertising, you want to be focused and put the ad in front of the right target audience to increase conversions. There are two factors that will reduce the cost of spending on video ads. First is your content video engagement in the form of likes, shares, and comments. If the content is engaging enough, it will show up in the newsfeed. That means your video content is building up exposure on its own. And at that point, you can effectively cut down your cost of running your video ads. Second, based on your video ad insights, if a specific target group is not performing well, you can stop running your video ads for that particular group. You can either run it on different target groups or start advertising new video ads on different video content. There are elements which you need to take note of in optimizing your video advert. First is to keep your text page to a minimum of 90 characters. Bear in mind that only the first and second sentence of your video ad will be seen. The remainder of the text will be hidden under the read more sign. Therefore, ensure that the beginning sentence has a hook or communicates a benefit from watching the video. Think about why should your target audience watch the video in the first place? What's in it for them? If it doesn't capture people to watch your video ads will be overlooked. The most important element to pique your audience interest to watch your video ads is the video thumbnail. Bear in mind that most Facebook users will keep their autoplay option deactivated on their mobile devices, and they will need to click on the thumbnail to start the video. For desktops, most Facebook users will keep their autoplay option activated unless they switch it off. Facebook generates a range of snapshots from your video ads for you to use as your thumbnail. If the generated thumbnails aren't attractive enough though, you can customize your own thumbnail that suits your video ads and upload it to your Facebook video editor. Facebook video ads aspect ratio is 16:9 or 1:1 for square videos, so it's best to render video ads that fit into that format and applies to your thumbnail as well. Not every image may work. You may have to test it out and try different thumbnail images to determine the best one that works. But again, Facebook advertising is all about testing. Mobile users have surpassed desktop users in terms of overall internet usage. That means there are potentially more Facebook mobile users compared to Facebook desktop users. Now, that doesn't entirely mean it's best to spend your resources on mobile feed ads. The best way to draw out which ad to spend on is to run both at the same time, and the results will show which ads are performing better. Remember, testing, and more testing. Good luck.